Listen up, Bronze. Listen up. Today we're taking a look at yet another challenge from Brilliant.org. Today's daily challenge is about number theory. Now, number theory has many subsets, but today we're going to be focusing on divisibility. Now, divisibility is the study of whether one number divides another number with no remainder. In other words, the remainder has to be 0, right? So, how do you check if one number is divisible by another number? That's what we're going to check out today. So first and foremost, we begin with number 10. Alright, so let's take a look at a few examples. 20, 25, 30, as you can see written on the board. How do you know if 20 is divisible by 10? Well, take a look at its last digit. It has a last digit of 0, is divisible by 10. What about 25? Well, it doesn't have a last digit of 0, so we know it's not divisible by 10. And likewise for 30. Alright. So, you know how to divide a number by 10, but what about 40? How do you know if a number is divisible by 40? It's not as easy as 10, is it? Well, let me show you. Well, first and foremost, we have to express a number algebraically. We can do so by rewriting any number in the following form. 1000m plus n, where m and n are both non-negative integers, which are less than 999, but greater than 0. Alright, now with that being said, how do we check if that number is actually divisible by 40? Well, all we have to do is take mod of 40 of that number, and check it out. 1000 is divisible by 40, so that goes to 0. So all we need to check is the number n. So we take n mod 40, and if n is divisible by 40, we know the whole number is divisible by 40, folks. So that means the most number of digits we need to look at to check if a number is divisible by 40 is 3. Alright, folks, so thanks for watching. Sponsored by Brilliant.org.
Ambition plus MKO plus scaffolding equal learning. We believe anyone can learn anything. That's why our motto is memorization is a crime. And that's why we partnered with Brilliant.
Brilliant transforms math and science into hands-on activities so that you too can understand everything from first grade math to E equals MC squared. Barry Science Lab and Brilliant is your MKO, and will give you the scaffolding to expand your ZPD until you become the next Sir Isaac Newton or Albert Einstein.
Visit Brilliant.org/Barry Science Lab today. And the first 50 of you to use that link will get a 20% discount on the Brilliant annual subscription.
Don't forget that you too can become the next Einstein. So let's fall in love with math and science.